To fix a rejected return on TurboTax, start by understanding the common reasons for rejection, which include incorrect or missing information, such as social security numbers, names, or birth dates. Also, ensure you have the correct filing status and dependent information. First, log into your TurboTax account and navigate to the return that was rejected. Look for the rejection notice, which will provide specific details about the issue. Read the notice carefully and make a note of the error code or description. Next, review your return for any errors or inconsistencies. Check your personal information, income, and deductions for accuracy. Verify that you have included all required forms and schedules. If you are unsure about a particular section, refer to the TurboTax help resources or consult the IRS website. Now, let's go through the step-by-step troubleshooting process. Step 1. Check your personal information. Ensure your name, social security number, and birth date are correct. Also, verify your spouse's information if you are filing jointly. Step 2. Review your income and deductions. Make sure you have reported all your income from various sources, including employment, investments, and self-employment. Also, review your deductions and credits to ensure you are eligible and have met the requirements. Step 3. Check your filing status and dependent information. Ensure you have selected the correct filing status and have included all eligible dependents. Also, verify the social security numbers and relationships of your dependents. Step 4. Review your tax payments and credits. Ensure you have made all required tax payments and have claimed all eligible credits. Also, review your prior year tax information to ensure it matches your current year return. Once you have reviewed and corrected your return, resubmit it to the IRS. You can do this through TurboTax, and the software will guide you through the process. If you are still having issues, consider contacting TurboTax support or the IRS directly for assistance. Best practices to avoid rejections include double-checking your information, using accurate and consistent formatting, and following IRS guidelines. By following these steps and best practices, you can fix a rejected return on TurboTax and ensure a smooth filing process.